Okay lang yun, no?
The final countdown. To 100,000 subscribers, we might have to jump into the dam.
What is up, guys? Ako nga pala si JR, mga earth ko. At eto, nandito kayo sa day 2 ng pandaraya natin sa YouTube, mga lot. English ba tayo? Di tayo maintindihan ni Trusty. So, here we are. Up, puki ng ina kasi. Easy.
What the fuck is up, YouTube? Day 2, trying to get that silver play button.
Yeah, 100K
Go subscribe.
subs. Hit subscribe.
If you love your mom, go subscribe.
Tangin ninyo, di nyo mahal mama nyo. So ngayon guys, pupunta kami ng dam. Eto guys, day 2, dayain na natin kasi sa YouTube tol. Nung unang, yung day 1 natin, yung 848 subscriber natin, naging 2,000 plus na mga tol. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Tangin na, dapat ba mag-English ako pa? Yeah, I should talk English now, right?
Sometime.
No, I mean like here, right now.
Oh.
Good, so you can catch up. We're going again to the dam. We're gonna smoke some shit. Yeah, smoke some shit. So, see you guys at the dam. Ito ang ating day 2 ng pandaraya ng YouTube. Let's go!
There's a bunch of ducks.
Dito na kami guys, sa dam. Yun yung dam oh.
See them? That's like 10 ducks out there.
Yung mga bibiw.
Oh yeah, there is a beach again.
What?
See the beach?
What beach? Oh! Can we go down like through here? Shit,
I think
like...
it's easier that way.
Oh, should we do that? Yeah, we should do that.
Yeah.
We're gonna do this. Bababa kami dito. Let's go. Oh, shit. Woohoo! Fuck, laway ko tumulo. Shit. We on a hike. Downhill. Fuck it, bro. Di ba nakaraan guys, sobrang taas dito. Hindi kami makababa. Ayun oh. Ay, may mga nangingisda oh. Just gonna put this here.
This shit was all underwater.
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's kids.
Like
Fuck.
where?
Maybe we should go,
Hindi pala pwede dito guys. May at nakakaya rin kasi magsindi.
there's all kinds of people.
We don't do smoke like when there's a bunch of people around, right?
Yeah.
We do the same.
We gotta go up top again.
Fuck it.
That looks easy.
This one looks easy. Panik kami guys, may tao dito.
Oh, maybe it is that. You can't tell. You see that like gooey looking shit? The wet looking like white?
Yeah.
I think that's what that is. I don't trust it.
Ayoko ng ganyan guys, makangati ka daw dyan sa mga ganyan. Subscribe nyo na ako mga yan. Doon na ako nag-upload sa YouTube eh. Basta, doon na ako mag-upload guys. Sa FB, mga maiksi na lang. Oh, we're gonna be with Sander on Sunday guys. New character coming. New
He said
character.
he'll smoke a bunch of wings on his grill and then bring them to my house. What are we gonna do before that?
We're gonna figure it out. Tip na naman kami dito guys.
Damn, that shit looks way
Ako na
different.
nakakamiss yung Pilipinas. Oh shit. Yeah.
That wasn't even in the middle or the last time.
Sikita nyo guys, it didn't turn blue.
Okay lang yun, no?
Is that Boulder's Vibe? What song was that?
I don't know. It's from Rocky, I think. Oh, the final countdown. The final countdown.
Tangin naman, Jeffoy Dizon! Ningal kami? Oh, we should light it up.
Bro. Did you bring a lighter?
Yeah.
Ooh.
What do you call that? Ready and what?
Staying ready?
Yeah, stay ready.
Said I'm always ready.
Kita niyo yung araw guys. Ang init po, kiningina. Bomba na naman. This one smells nice. I feel like coffee.
That's a good clean one.
Bomba, bomba na. Bomba na. Subscribe nyo na ako mga ya. Meron na tayong 2,000 plus na subscriber sa YouTube. Dapat nga kasama namin si Kira ngayon tsaka yung boyfriend niya. Kaso hindi nag-reply. Bomba natin yung araw.
Bro, I'm about to do the buzz.
Buzz ka.
Buzz the top. I'm about to make this all short.
Mullet on the back.
And then just have this get fucking.
Gagawin tong tricks oh. Abangan nyo.
This is the last time they're gonna see me like this.
You say bye to your hair. When you gonna do it? May pasok pa ako bukas guys. Di ako nakapag-gym. Nasugatan ako eh. Oh. Trabaho. Ang laki na ito guys. Di ko lang mapakita sa inyo eh.
You think you could survive jumping into it now?
Yeah, I think so. So ito ang ginawa natin sa date natin guys. May pasok kami kanina. Tinawagan lang ako nito ni Trusty. At ito, bomba kami sa dam. Inaantay ulit namin maging blue. Pinasa na ni tropa, pinasa pa ni pinsan. Magkita kami laging minsan, lagi, tapos minsan ang gulo mo. Eto na kami, bubombahin ko na to. Ito na yung katabi ko nga ay inuubo. Gusto mo bang ubuhin? Hit-hitin mo to! Tangina, ibang-iba yung ano guys, oh. Kumpara sa nakaraan, pugingin na parang may bagyo.
If we get to 100,000 subscribers, we might have to jump into the dam.
Fuck, that one's scary.
From down there?
Ayun o, 200k subscriber, tatalong kami dito ni Trusty. You're gonna go jump first, then I'm gonna follow.
I don't know if we should do it here or somewhere else. But
Yeah,
we
can do
for
something else.
200K,
That shit is
we gotta do some shit.
risky, bro.
100K. Oh, shit.
100k subscribers!
We'll jump out of a plane.
Hell yeah! Ganito lang buhay namin dito, tol. Trabaho pa kami bukas. Day off niya, linggo. Ako lunes, martes siya, linggo, lunes. Magkikita kami linggo, lunes. Kasi pag uwi ko ng linggo, magkikita na kami nun.
Oh shit.
This is a good. Shout sa mga tropa dyan sa Pinas. Bomba na mga tol. Give them a shout out. People from the Philippines.
Shout out to everybody in the Philippines right now watching.
Ednis.
What up, Ednis?
After that, you're gonna send him to the nature.
Oh.
Send it. Send it to the
Dude, these
sender.
birds are doing dances in the sky. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
They're like performing on us. Oh, I got the last. I'm gonna throw it to the nature.
You're gonna have to send it to the nature.
Yeah, I'm the one who's sending it back.
What the hell?
Ayun yung huli, oh. Huling bomba, tol. Tapos ibabalik na natin siya sa inang kalikasan. Nah, this is the mother nature. This is a dam. This is a man-made.
Yeah, this is a man-made.
Fuck it. I'm gonna just throw it here. So, yun. Tangina. Sabog na kami. Yeah, we stone again.
Yeah. Did it again. Eto na naman.
Ito na naman. What do we need to do after this? You know what it is, though.
Shit.
You know what it is, dog.
What it is.
I don't know. Do the Woody Woodpecker. So ayun guys, babounce na kami. Ayun. Subscribe nyo kami, tol. Subscribe nyo ako. JR Acasio sa YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. Say bye, bro.
Deuces. Peace out.
Peace
Ingat,
out.
everybody.
Pukining ina.